Go, 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 go. Yeah! 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 Yeah, Kobe! Kobe! Score, let's go. Buckets! Buckets! Yeah! We out here dropping buckets.
How long is this gonna entertain you?
Yeah, score again, buddy. Score again. Hey! We out here dropping buckets. Let's go. Again. Let's go. Again. Again. All right, we like. Yo, what up, tribe? It's your boy C's coming to you once again, and yo, so back into the swing of things, back into regular routine, and pretty much today spent a lot of the time doing a ton of errands, meaning just sprucing up the place, getting the place nice and in order, hanging out with my son, and which brings me to this topic of this video, is just like this saying that I came across, especially through various audio programming. And that saying is, how you do one thing is how you do everything, right? And it goes down like that fundamental principle where even the smallest things like cleaning up the house, decluttering your office. I still have tons of things I got to do in this office to declutter it because there's things lying around and whatnot. But I figured, like, let me just get this thought out there. And it just goes into just paying attention to detail, right? So making sure each room in your house is very presentable so that your mind is like not decluttered, especially going into working on projects, because a cluttered mind gives you cluttered results, right? So right now I'm here working on a couple of videos for some of my friends in the fitness industry, so giving them some marketing and content material for their business pages. So I just figured, like, yo, instead of just rushing here and like getting things done, let me just focus on making sure that I declutter everything first, clean up the house a little bit so that I can come here like nothing on my mind but the task at hand, right? So it's like the same saying, like, how you do one thing is how you do everything. So if you are like having cluttered results or things are just on your mind, check out your environment, see what's cluttered, see what's constantly getting your attention, and attack it, eliminate it, and then you have like a clearer, more focused mind. So right now I am going to attack this first. Going to get rid of a few things, like a few things here. I gotta like declutter this here and get my sneakers out there. You know what I'm saying? So there's just like a ton I got to get done, and then I'm going to sit here and do this work. So in tomorrow's video, I will have the training program, not the training program, but the training session, you know, so that you can see exactly what kind of phase I'm in, what workout I'm doing right now, and something that you could possibly apply as well. So without any further ado, let's get to work. And also hit me in the comments. I've gotten a ton of emails lately, which is awesome. I will be doing some Q&As with the questions so that everybody can benefit. So let me just get back to work, and I will see you in the next video, man. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, holla at your guala.